Hello student, myself Professor Anjali Patel from Profile BBA College Vapi. Our subject Entrepreneurship Development with respect to your semester 5 in your TY PBA. Today, in this section, we will learn about the another institute in topic that is various institute for entrepreneurship development. Today, we will learn about National Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development. National, the full form of NIESBUD is that National Institute of Business National Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development. So let us move towards this institute, that is National Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development. National Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development is an apex body. Is being started in the year 1983 by the Ministry of Industry, the Government of India. The main purpose to start this institute is to coordinate and training and overseeing the activity of the various institute engaged in entrepreneurship डेवलपमेंट. ये इंस्टीट्यूट स्टार्ट करने का यही मेन इंटेंशन था कि वो लोग कोऑर्डिनेट करके ट्रेनिंग करके और सारी एक्टिविटी जो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट के रिलेटेड हो रही है उसको वो प्रॉपर तरीके देखे और हर एक इंस्टीट्यूट जो एंगेज हो रहे हैं एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट में उसको कोऑर्डिनेट करे और ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करे. दैट इज द मेन purpose for being started the National Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development. The National Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development is being registered as a society act, has been registered as a society under the Government of India Society Act, being started functioning from the 6th July 1983. ये इंस्टीट्यूट जो है वो रजिस्टर्ड हुई है एज अ सोसाइटी अंडर द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया सोसाइटी एक्ट और उसका फंक्शन स्टार्ट हुआ है 6 जुलाई 1983. The National Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development is a primary organization of the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, which is engaged in providing training, consultancy, research, and many other in order to promote the entrepreneurship and skill development. The main purpose of this institute is that कि यहाँ पे हर एक एक्टिविटी, हर एक कंसल्टेंसी, हर एक रिसर्च जो हो रहा है उसको उस वे में वो लोग को देखना है, उस वे में उसको ग्रोथ करना है, उस वे में कंट्रीब्यूट करना है जिससे प्रमोट हो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड स्किल डेवलपमेंट, जिससे प्रमोशन हो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड स्किल डेवलपमेंट. द मेजर एक्टिविटी ऑफ दिस इंस्टीट्यूट इंक्लूड प्रोवाइडिंग अ ट्रेनिंग टू ट्रेनर्स, a management development program for management skill and entrepreneurship development program. Even entrepreneurship cum skill development program are being conducted, are being the activities scheduled for the development of overall of entrepreneurship. The National Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development has provided training to 11 lakh 46,209 person as on March 31st 2018. The data is as per the 31st March 2018. Whenever you are writing down the data, you need to mention the month and the year so that the paper checker can understand the data are not wrong. So this data is related to 31st March 2018, where they have provided training to 11,46,209 person, where various different training program were conducted through a various training program being conducted here. Now, this was the overall of the National Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development. Let us move towards its objective. The first objective of the institute include the following. That is, first one, it is standardized and has a systemized process of selection. The main objective of National Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development is to standardize and systemize the process of selection, training, support, and sustain the potential and existing entrepreneur. Main purpose, main objective यही था कि हर एक सिस्टम को वो स्टैंडर्डाइज करे, हर एक सिस्टम को वो सिस्टमाइज करे जिससे वो प्रोसेस ऑफ सिलेक्शन जो है वो सिस्टमेटिक सिलेक्शन हो, ट्रेनिंग वो सिस्टमेटिक वे में प्रोवाइड करे, एंड एवरीथिंग बीइंग सपोर्टेड इन सिस्टम वाइज एंड दे कैन सस्टेन द both potential and existing entrepreneur. That was the main objective of this institute. The second one, to support and motivate the various institute and organization in carrying out the training. हर एक institute जो होते हैं एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट के लिए, हर एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो होते हैं वो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम जो कंडक्ट करते हैं, अगर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हैं, वो हर एक इंस्टीट्यूट को, हर एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को वो लोग को सपोर्ट करना था, मोटिवेट करना था, जिससे वो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट के रिलेटेड जो एक्टिविटी है उसमें वो लोग कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं. दैट इज द मेन पर्पस, मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव of this institute. The another being objective is to that by organizing the research and documentation activity related to entrepreneurship and skill development, they have provided a very vital information and support to trainers and promoters. Another objective was that to provide vital information and support to trainers, promoters, and entrepreneurs by organizing the research and documentation activity relevant to entrepreneurship and skill development. That was the another objective of this institute. Next objective was to offer consultancy nationally and internationally for promotion of an entrepreneurship and a small business development at a national level and international level. तो consultancy कंसल्ट करना था, कंसल्टेंसी प्रोवाइड करना था नेशनली एंड इंटरनेशनली अबाउट योर प्रमोशन ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड स्मॉल बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट at national level and international level. That was also the objective of National Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development. The another objective is to promote and train the trainers and consult the various area of entrepreneurship development. The another objective was to train the trainer, promoters को ट्रेन करना है, ट्रेनर्स को ट्रेन करना है, एंड हर एक कंसल्टेंट्स जो है कंसल्ट करना है वेरियस एरिया ऑफ एन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट. सो दिस वाज एन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड स्मॉल बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट. Next is your function being performed by this institute. The first function is being performed by this institute that it is evolving a effective training strategy and methodology. Strategy जो प्रिपेयर करते थे वो इफेक्टिव करते थे, मेथोडोलॉजी प्रॉपर तरीके से फॉलो करते हैं जिससे सिस्टमेटिक वे में वो काम कर सकते हैं. Next was it was standardized a model syllabus for training various target group. ठीक है, syllabus में भी continuous change रहे थे. Next was your it was formulating a systematic selection procedure so that they can be have a systematic selection of a employee. Then they were developing a training aids, manuals, and tools so they can have a training through various techniques. Then it was facilitating and supporting the central, state, and other agency in organizing the entrepreneurship development program. हर एक स्टेट को, हर एक सेंट्रल को, हर एक एजेंसी को वो लोग क्या कर रहे थे, ऑर्गेनाइज एंड फैसिलिटेट करते थे, सपोर्ट करते थे बाय फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम. सो every state, every central, every agency was being facilitated and supported for organizing the entrepreneurship development program by this institute, and they was conducting a training program for the promoters, trainers, and entrepreneurs. That was the main function being performed by this institute. The main goal of this institute is to promote, support, and sustain the entrepreneurship in the small business through training, education, research, and consultancy. This is the main objective you need to remember for this institute. क्या करना है? This institute is helping to promote, support, and sustain एंटरप्रेन्योर. प्रमोट तो कर रहा है, सपोर्ट भी कर रहा है और सस्टेन की भी कर रहा है एंटरप्रेन्योर को. सस्टेनिंग द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड स्मॉल बिजनेस. कैसे वो सस्टेन करेगा? थ्रू ट्रेनिंग, एजुकेशन. कैसे वो प्रमोट करेगा? कैसे सपोर्ट करेगा? थ्रू ट्रेनिंग, एजुकेशन, एंड रिसर्च एंड कंसल्टेंसी. दैट इज द मेन गोल ऑफ दिस इंस्टीट्यूट. Hope you are clear with this. In another institute, in next lecture we will move towards the another institute. Thank you, student.